name's Colin. I'm a binding builder at Karakoram, and this is the Prime XW. The Prime XW is our top-of-the-line women's-specific alpine splitboard binding. This binding is made from the lightest and strongest materials, featuring aluminum hardware, cord-out linkage components, and 70-75 space-grade aluminum. Coming in at just 560 grams per binding, you're not going to find a better performance-to-weight ratio in splitboarding. New for 2021 is our Super Pivot ratchet. These ratchets are lighter and allow for an easy in, easy out experience. Built on our asymmetric X-type chassis, this binding features a drop sidewall on the inside foot for increased surfy feel, while still remaining full length and high on the outside of your foot for efficient touring. The Prime XW is specifically tailored to fit women's feet and features active joining technology, which pulls all components of your splitboard together to reduce slop and create the most responsive ride possible in a splitboard binding. The Prime XW features our AirPod strap, which is lightweight and comfortable. It features individual pressure pods. These pods spread out the weight across your foot evenly. The Prime XW comes in two models, one with our reactive R high back and another with our full carbon fiber high back. In the box, you'll find everything you need to go splitboarding, including Ride Mode 2.0, dual speed risers with heel lock, and a no slop tour mode. The Prime XW is resort ready and compatible with all Karakoram quiver connectors. These bindings are also backed by the Karakoram guarantee. The Prime XW is for women looking to push the bounds of what's possible on a splitboard binding.